Dad,
Yeah.
as a heart surgeon, how bad are these things for you on a scale of 1 to 10?
Okay.
Vaping.
10. Although we don't have the data like we have with cigarettes over many, many years, I have personally seen some tragic outcomes in young individuals who vape.
Stress.
Stress is tricky. There's good stress, like when you go out for a run and you lift weights, and you're actually improving your overall health and your longevity. But emotional stress, stress at work, financial stress, these can take their toll. Stress, I'd give it an 8.
Sodas.
Sodas, I try to avoid them. The regular soda is high in sugar, bunch of empty calories. When I drink diet soda, I crave bad foods. If we look at the actual data as far as how it impacts longevity, I'd give it a 3 or a 4.
Poor sleep.
10. Something that I have really struggled with for a long time. I think it's had a huge impact on my overall health. The more I try and control my sleep, the worse it gets. I've totally had to change my relationship with sleep. I recommend that you evaluate your own.
Alcohol.
10. We know that alcohol is toxic to every cell in the body. Whether you choose to drink, it's a personal choice. Your body, your rules. Just understand the data.